Hi guys, welcome to I Review Beauty, the channel where you can find great information, useful information for so many different skincare products and cosmetic products. Today, I'm talking to you about the nail care, and this is the Sally Hansen Advanced Hard as Nails. That's the name. So what it does, it really helps to strengthen your nails, right? This is the extra strength formula. It hardens nails, and what's important, it smooths the ridges. Okay. This container has pretty much the regular bottle for the nail polish, and it's 13 milliliters. And so let's say first, what is it? So it's an advanced nail hardening treatment, actually, that protects and strengthens your nails while also filling in the ridges. The second thing we should know is how it works. Sally Hansen helps it out here. It contains nylon, so it's the nylon formula fortifies the fragile nails and also helps prevent peeling. Besides, this formula also contains omega-3s and soy. They both in turn help to diminish the look of the ridges. And as a result you have smoother, stronger nails with clear finish and shine. So the way you're going to apply it, you would need to apply 2 to 3 coats on your nails. You could use it alone or under regular nail polish that you usually use. And as far as the ingredients, it contains a lot of them. You could check the full list on Sally Hansen website. And I also need to mention that this particular product is made in USA, and the shelf life once you open it is 24 months. And I believe this is all I can tell you. And as far of the finishing, it doesn't have any color. It will be transparent, so clear, so it won't give you any color in your nails. And salon tested, if you're interested. And this is it, guys. So that's all about Sally Hansen nail strengthener. And I, guys, wish you all the best. If you like this video and this channel, put a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you later.